Zero is the number that represents nothing. At first glance, it appears simple, almost trivial. Yet zero is one of the most profound and transformative ideas ever created by the human mind. It is not merely a symbol for absence, but a foundational concept that makes modern mathematics, science, and technology possible. Before zero, humans could count, measure, and record quantities, but they struggled with complex calculations. Early number systems lacked a way to represent emptiness or absence within a structured framework. This limitation made advanced mathematics difficult, if not impossible. The invention of zero changed everything. The concept of zero as a true number originated in India. While ancient civilizations such as the Babylonians used placeholder symbols, and the Romans relied on numerals without any representation of nothingness, Indian mathematicians took a radical step further. They treated zero not just as a gap, but as a number in its own right, one that could participate in arithmetic. The most important figure in this breakthrough was the Indian mathematician Brahmagupta in the 7th century CE. He formally defined zero and laid out rules for how it behaves in calculations. Brahmagupta described zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself and explained how it interacts with positive and negative numbers. This marked the first time in history that zero was fully integrated into a mathematical system. From India, the idea of zero traveled westward. Arab scholars adopted it, calling it sifr, meaning empty. They recognized its power and incorporated it into their own mathematical works, which were later translated into Latin and introduced to Europe. Initially, zero was met with suspicion and resistance. Many Europeans viewed it as mysterious, dangerous, or even heretical. Some feared it because it made complex accounting and abstract thinking possible tools that could disrupt established systems of power. Despite the resistance, zero proved unstoppable. It enabled the place value number system, allowing humans to work efficiently with large numbers. It made algebra possible, paved the way for calculus, and laid the mathematical foundations for physics and engineering. Centuries later, zero became the backbone of computing, where binary code based entirely on zeros and ones powers every digital device in existence. The irony of zero is striking. It represents nothing, yet it underpins nearly everything. Modern finance, science, space exploration, artificial intelligence, and the internet all rely on the concept of zero. Without it, the technological world we inhabit would simply not exist. In the end, zero is more than a number. It is a reminder that even the idea of nothing can change the course of history.